Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can improve microphone quality with Voicemeeter on Discord and OBS. So then I'll show you after. I'm going to show you what you have to do to improve microphone quality using Voicemeeter. Then I'm going to show you how you can use Voicemeeter with OBS and Discord. So let's jump right into this video. So first step, you just have to head over to or write on Google Voicemeeter, and then you'll go to this website. Just go to this website, and here you can click on Voicemeeter and just click on here install. After you install the Voicemeter, and then you also have to install FVB cable virtual audio device. Click on here download, and then here now we can simply open Voicemeter. Okay, now I have the banana version here, but you don't have to install these versions. Both are kind of the same, but the banana and potato version do have more options, more features. But yeah, you can also install a banana version if you want more options here. And yeah, now here in Voicemeeter, what you have to do first here is to select your microphone. Where you see microphone, make sure here you select your microphone. So click here and select your microphone. Then the next step is here in a hardware out. Make sure you click here, and here you select your headphones. You can select WDM or MME. You can try this one. Is like I believe it's older version, and this one is a newer version. You can try both of these. So here just select your input, and also make sure here where you have your headset, you right click on this and here select sound settings, or you can also click press on your keyboard Windows logo plus I and go to sound, and here in sound in output make sure you select your output here, and now so you can hear your own voice, you can select your Voicemeeter input or just your headphones. But what's important here in input is to select Voicemeeter output. Here we have the output, and here the input for your microphone, and here for your output for your headset. All right. And now here, after we selected here our microphone and our output, here now we can simply, if you click on A1 here, you can hear your own voice, and you can just drag this up and down. So if you want to hear yourself louder, to increase the volume of your microphone, you can do this from here. And now here what you have to do probably for you here is this cube is down here. We just have to grab it and move it all the way here. This will sound much better. And from echo here you can also play with this and around in the middle. That's where I like to put it, to move it right here in the middle. But you just can play with this and see what you like. And you can also, if you have this A1 turn on, you can hear yourself. And once you set my Voicemeeter the way you like and your voice sounds good, and make sure, as I said, to move this around here in this position, because you will sound more clear. But it's like you have a microphone, like a podcast, not podcast, studio microphone, radio microphone. And yeah, make sure you move this here. And now we can simply go to OBS. Make sure you download OBS from here, and let's go actually first to Discord. Click on user settings here, and here in the user settings we can click on voice video and voice and video, sorry. And here now we're here in default. Make sure you also check this allow, and here make sure you select your I'll actually show you on Discord on my computer because I have it installed. Just once. And here on Discord, you're better off to install actually Discord on your computer than using on your browser. And here in input device, make sure you select the Voicemeeter output. And here just your headphones or speaker or speakers and from your computer. But yeah, here in input, select Voicemeeter output. And here now you should be able to hear your voice. As you can see, I can hear my voice here, and which means that it's working and is functional. So yeah. Now on OBS, make sure you click on settings, click on audio, and here you can add another audio two, or you can also use just one. And here just select, make sure here you select Voicemeeter input. So click here and select your output. So here we have Voicemeeter output. So select your Voicemeeter output, apply and OK. And now you should have two, and or you can also, if you don't want to have two here, you can just click on this three dots here, click on options, and then here in device select Voicemeeter output. And yeah, as you can see right now I'm recording, so I'm not gonna change anything. I mean it will not even work because I'm recording right now. But I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful and now you can enjoy Voicemeeter. I think it's pretty good and your voice will sound much better, and will just improve the quality of your microphone. If your microphone is not very good, professional, this will just increase in the fact that we can also use it for Discord and OBS. That's just awesome. And also you can use it on Zoom and any other streaming or streaming or Twitch, or if you're live streaming. So yeah, I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care.